this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a tailgate step, as well as a 9.6 kilowatt Power Onboard, which is just Ford's generator. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera, your tailgate steps just right there. With your bed camera, we got that nice Lightning logo, an extended gripped running board, side view camera with turn light indicator mirrors, blind spot detection. We got a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well. And moving to the front here, we do get recovery hooks, your license plate back and front view camera, a faux grille, and that nice LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle. We do get a mega powered frunk with this vehicle as well. That opens on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get a little storage under here with the mobile power cord, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You get your Power Onboard just right here as well, and got some lights up here as well. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have the nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a mostly power driver's seat, with that being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of leg room as well. Frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 23 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we got our digital speedometer, you got trip, my view, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got a gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. You got your center console here as well with tons of storage, coin holder, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with your infotainment system that has hazards traction and a 360 view where you can go through different camera angles. I'm going to click into our bed view as well, which is pretty handy. Looking at our screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Got our phone controls, your navigation, pretty handy so you don't get lost. Fave apps, messaging, email, Power Onboard. Any apps you may download show over here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle, we're going to click into our drive modes real quick, where we have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, Power Onboard, trip energy, charge settings, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG25779, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.